Hi everyone, my name is Austin Chalk, and today I wanted to show you how to use the PSA or problem-solving approach. The PSA is basically a 5-step method of creating technical documents in an organized and consistent way. It's broken down into these 5 steps: plan, research, draft, review, and distribute. Step 1 is to plan your document. In this preliminary stage of the process, the writer needs to make decisions about things like purpose, audience, format, and medium. Step 2 is to research your document. In this step, the writer should determine what information they need, how they will find it, then execute their research, whether it be through written text or online. Step 3 is to draft your document. In the drafting stage, the writer will finally design, organize, and construct their document. This can include anything from text to video. Step 4 is review your document. When reviewing a document, the writer should always test its usability, gaining feedback from an audience and using that to revise if necessary. Step 5 is to distribute. To distribute a document, the writer must make the final decisions for the method in which it will be distributed, send the document to the audience, and then follow up with the target audience to make sure they receive the document. So how can you apply the PSA to your own writing? For the second half of this presentation, I'll be showing you how I applied the PSA to a project I completed during my technical communications course here at Arizona State University. For this project, I built a house out of bread and peanut butter, then wrote a set of technical instructions to allow others to do the same. Step 1 was to plan the document. The biggest decision for me on this project was what to build. I then had to make decisions about which steps I needed to write and which were the most key to helping another person make the house as well. Step 2 was to research this project. Most of the research conducted for the project was what I would be using to construct the house. I also went online to see what it had made in the past with similar materials. Step 3 was to draft my instructions. In order to draft these technical instructions, I had to actually construct the house as I wrote them. This way, I could take as many pictures as I needed to illustrate the process. Step 4 was to review the document. I had several friends and peers review this set of instructions, having them focus on the clarity of each step and how effective the pictures were in the building process. Step 5 was to distribute the project. Once I had edited all my steps with revisions, I finally submitted the PDF into the Dropbox to be graded. The PSA has been a great tool in not only creating documents clearly, but consistently as well. The image of a blank Word document is much less daunting if the writer has a creative process going in. Thanks for listening.